How's it going, YouTube fans? This is your boy Toddler765 here, working on the good old lb7 Duramax, actually attempting to do a downpipe, but you know, looking through YouTube and Google, and there's just not a video on any tips or tricks on how to get this bitch undone, because it is a cunt. Fuck. Alright, so to get the 12 points loose, I use my big ass Cornwell breaker bar here with a little I think this is a 2-inch extension. Can't remember off the top of my head, but this is a 36-inch breaker bar. You just got to kind of wedge it in there, get it in the right place. There's not really any certain way. You just kind of have to get a feel for it. I mean, you kind of just have to go from an angle, go from, you know, whatever. Just feel out where you're gonna go into. So, so the ones that I'm using, or the wrenches that I'm using to tighten this bitch back up, are these bad boys. They are Platinums. You can focus. Oh, shit's upside down. Focus. There we go. And if for anybody interested, that's one of the part numbers in the kit. You buy the whole kit. I think it's like I spent like $200 on them, and you know, when you're a fucking diesel mechanic, away she goes. So fuck it. Other than that, man, you just kind of got to get in there and do it. You know, don't be scared of it. If this is your first diesel or whatever, just get in there, go try it out. You know, if you get too scared, I guess, and you know, take it to a person like myself, or you know, do it to somebody you trust, or whatever the fuck that you want. Other than that, progress is coming along. Maybe I'll make a video once I get her in there. All right, y'all. Peace.